Welcome to Blueprints. In the first episode of Blueprints Level 3, we imported a standard steel profile, the HEB 300. Now we move one step further, creating custom profiles. Blueprint supports many custom shapes. You can find the full list in the documentation. You can check it over here. In this example, we will build a custom eye profile. First, I imported the eye profile class. This is the building block for defining any eye-shaped cross-section from scratch. Next, I create a new eye profile. This requires several parameters, things like flange width, thicknesses, total height, and radii. I'm not going into each one in detail here, but the key idea is simple. You fully define the geometry by providing these values. So check the documentation carefully for the eye profile or whatever profile you're making. Once we've done that, we already have a usable profile, which we can plot. And which we can get the section properties of, for example, the moment of inertia. So where the previous video showed us how to rely on standard tables, now we can build even more profiles.